You're so lucky to open this video because I'm going to teach you how to trade with Aroon Indicator. Hello my dear traders and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using strategy based on technical analysis, and to help our technical analysis we are going to use Aroon Indicator. Guys, today I'm going to explain you how this indicator works, how to find entry points thanks to this indicator, and so much more in this video. So my dear traders, I hope you already subscribed to this channel, and let's finally start because now I'm going to explain you everything. So guys, as you can see, this indicator is located at the bottom of the screen and consists of red moving averages that are responsible for the downtrend and a series of moving averages that are responsible for the upward movement. When I see that the red line goes up and we have an intersection of moving ones, we see that the price showing a decrease. Now, that is in such situation I can open a deal to go down. And vice versa, when I see that the blue line went up and we have a sliding intersection, as here we see that at the same time the price begins to move up. That is, after such an intersection we can open a deal up. Also, if I consider the situation with consolidation when the price doesn't move significantly as here, then we'll see that moving averages often intersect on the indicator. That is, the indicator gives out a lot of false signals in this situation. Therefore, I will avoid them and look for more explicit price movements and more explicit indicator signals. So these are the main points that we will need today in our trading strategy today. And I suggest that we start and find the first entry point. As you can see here, the price has started to move up from the last price minimum. At the same time, there was an intersection of the moving averages on the indicator and the blue line went up. Therefore, we'll open a deal up. Also, as you can see earlier, the price moved down quite impulsively with mostly red candles. But then, after a slight attenuation, it made an upward impulse. And we see a large number of green candles on the chart. And all these points make it clear to us that the price has good potential to increase. And I think that in the near future, the price will move up. And let's see how our deal will close. Well guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and showing us good growth. This is how I got the profit here from our first transaction. Also, the indicator turned out to be right and gave us a good entry point. So let's now proceed and consider the following trading sessions. As you can see, we have an upward movement here, and at the moment the price is showing growth. Therefore, we will open a deal up since the blue line has gone up on the indicator. Also, the main price lows on the chart are rising and the price moves up more impulsively, mainly with green candlesticks. All this tells us that the price has a good potential for growth, and it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in uptrend. And also in this situation, I took the time 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possible consolidation or rollback of the price down. As you can see, our price showing good growth now, and let's wait for the result of our deal. Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, we have several green candlesticks forming on the chart in a row. And so here we got a steady profit here. Also in this situation, the indicator turned out to be right again. At the same time, 2 minutes was just perfect for us here. Well, I suggest that we continue and find the next entry point. So as you can see further, our price continues to move up, and I will open a deal up because the blue line of the indicator is located on top. We'll see that the main price lows are still rising, and we see a large number of green candles on the chart. All these points tells us that the price has a potential to go up, and I think that in the near future we will see an increase in price, and let's wait for the result, guys. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. So my dear traders, that's great, and as you can see the price moving according to our scenario, and it showed us a slight increase. Thus this transaction closed above the entry point and I got the profit here. Well, I suggest that we continue and consider some other trading situations. So guys, as you can see the price moving down here, and at the same time the red line on the indicator went up, therefore we will open a deal to go down. Because I think that the price will move down, because as you can see earlier the price faced resistance and a large number of red impulsive candles appeared on the chart. At the same time, there's still enough space left until the last price minimum. And all this tells us that the price has a good potential to decrease. And let's wait for the result, guys. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, our price doesn't show a big decrease, and this deal closed below the entry point and it brought us profit. Thus, we already have $502 on deposit. That is, as you can see, our initial deposit has already increased more than 10 times. This is an amazing result, guys. And as you can see, my trading strategy is working well. And let's continue, guys, and we will find another situation on the market. So guys, as you can see here, the price showing a decrease and is currently going beyond the support level. In such situation, we will open a deal to go down because we have an intersection of moving averages on the indicator. We also see that the main price highs are decreasing, and also breaking through the level indicates that the price has a good potential for decline. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will still move down, and let's see how the deal will close. So that's great, guys. As you can see, our price went down, and thus this transaction brought us profit. And also this indicator in this situation turned out to be right again and suggested us a good entry point. Well, I suggest we continue and consider another situation on the market. So as you can see here, the price showed the good growth, and in such situation I immediately open a deal for 2 minutes up because the blue line of the indicator is on top. In other words, this suggests that the price has a good potential for growth. Also, as you can see earlier, we had a price reversal and the price began to move up. At the same time, there will still be a long distance to the maximum point on the chart, and all these points indicate that it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in the emerging upward movement. And let's just watch the chart and see what happens in the next few minutes. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price moving according to our scenario, and it showed us a good growth. This is how we got the profit here, guys, and I suggest that we continue and consider some other situations on the market. Alright, as you can see here, the price moving in a downtrend and it is currently approaching the support level. Here I will open a deal to go down as we have had an intersection of the moving averages. And we see that the price has touched this level several times. This is how we understand that the price has the potential to go down. At the same time, the main price highs on the chart are decreasing and we have a certain compression of the support level. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will move down and try to break through this level again. And let's see how our deal will close. Well guys, that's great, and as you can see the price went down with an impulse and broke through the marked level. Thus here I got steady profit and we already have more than $10,000 on deposit. Guys, we are constantly approaching our trading goal, and I think that a couple of more deals and we will be able to reach it. So guys, let's continue. So, as you can see, after a fairly strong increase, the price made a pullback down. And in such situation, we will open a deal for a minute to go down, since we also have an intersection of the moving averages and the red line went up. Also, as you can see earlier, the price moved up without making any pullbacks down as such, but then there was a reversal and a large number of red candles appeared on the chart. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will still move down and then it will probably continue its growth. So here we'll try to make money on such decrease, and let's wait for the result, guys. That's great. As you can see, our deal closed below the entry point and I made a profit here. And also the indicator in this situation turned out to be right again, and it suggested us a really good entry point. Guys, I suggest continue and you'll find one more situation for the day. So as you can see here, we have a good confident uptrend, and at the moment we see some fading. In such situation, we will open a deal to go up, since the blue line of the indicator is located at the top. That is, the price has a good potential to go up. Also, the main price lows on the chart are rising, and we see earlier, after a long consolidation, the price made an upward impulse and continued its growth. And I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move up the uptrend, and let's see how our deal will close. Well, my dear traders, that's great, and as you can see, our deal closed above the entry point. I got the profit here, thus we already have more than $10,000, guys, and our trading goal is fulfilled. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you were able to learn something new. Guys, if you still have problems with the Aroon indicator, I have other videos on this channel, so don't forget to check them out as well. Also, guys, I hope that you already put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, and of course turn on notifications so we always stay in touch. Also, guys, I share my trading signals, but in my exclusive community, and if you want to get there super easy, just text me code word signal. All the essential links will be down below. And my dear traders, I wish you to have successful trading sessions on your own, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.